Axie endlessness pick up bullish speed over the previous week, acquiring 0.91% in an unpretentious manner. The cost of Axie vastness truly has fallen by 1.12% in the past 24 hours, showing how Axie endlessness pick up bullish speed over the essentially past week, acquiring 0.91% in a truly significant manner. As far as Axie's support floor, it sort of is currently $10.21, which really is genuinely huge. Axie certainly has its in every way that really matters, next obstruction at $11.87 in a sort of significant manner. 28 September 2023, in this video we will generally walk you through Axie vastness cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and basically attempt to answer these much of the time in every practical sense, sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what especially is especially transient cost expectation for Axie boundlessness. For the most part is Axie a kind of wise speculation, which sort of is genuinely critical. Axie endlessness support and opposition levels and so on, which fundamentally shows that 28 September 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Axie vastness cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is truly transient cost expectation for Axie limitlessness, basically is Axie a very wise speculation, which especially is very huge. However, prior to jumping especially profound into the Axie's specialized investigation, essentially let us in every practical sense discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which fundamentally is very critical. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,057,668,317,807, which fundamentally is very critical. The very complete exchanging volume generally remains at $26,382,683,370, exhibiting that however prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the Axie's specialized examination, really let us generally discuss the especially current economic situations in an especially significant manner. Bitcoin shares 48.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a strength of 16.33% in a quite enormous manner, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,530.14 level after a decay of 0.87%, which for the most part is very critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.01%, coming to $1,625.48 during the past 24 hours, which really is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.81, following a value change of 0.57% within a similar time period, exhibiting how Axie endlessness pick up bullish speed over the kind of past week acquiring 0.91%, which for the most part is genuinely critical. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP especially, is somewhere near 0.72. And right now exchanging at 50 cents, showing how market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,057,668,317,807, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a truly descending bearing for especially transient in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a sort of broad exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Axie boundlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support generally is a level at which purchasers become essentially something else in every way that really matters, dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers in a real sense move pretty dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Axie endlessness, axes, Axie vastness execution. The kind of everyday graph of Axie boundlessness generally shows that the axe's cost in every practical sense has a fundamentally descending development with a 1.12% reduction in kind of beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how axes sort of has its especially next obstruction at $11.87. Or so they truly thought. The value worth of the Axie vastness, axes, coin for the most part is remaining at $4.46, with market capitalization $630,399,664 United States dollars, which in every practical sense shows that axes really has its exceptionally next obstruction at $11.87. Axes cost changes 0.91% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume is drifting around $20,201,496 United States dollars, which essentially shows that Axes really has its kind of next obstruction at $11.87 in an in every practical sense significant way. Axie Boundlessness Value Examination Axes Cost Investigation for 28 September 2023, inside an everyday time period, generally made sense of underneath. Kind of additional appearance, how Axes especially has its sort of next obstruction at $11.87 in an essentially significant manner. We utilize certainly relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including essentially straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving especially normal, EMA, to explicitly break down the future development of the Axie limitlessness. Showing how 28 September 2023, in this video we will generally walk you through Axie endlessness cost examination for now or for the following week, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly for the most part gotten clarification on some things, facts, what especially is somewhat transient cost expectation for Axie vastness. For the most part is Axes an excellent interest in an unobtrusive manner. The Axie boundlessness truly has explicitly break all its truly upholds levels, and things truly are not looking especially great for the crypto market, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, generally bears especially are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Axes cost underneath the significant help level of $10.21 in an especially enormous manner. The MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the sort of sign line after a hybrid, showing how XRP the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP for the most part is somewhere near 0.72 and right now exchanging at 50 cents, showing how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the fundamentally whole cryptographic money market to $1,057,668,317,807 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie boundlessness financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the everyday graph, showing how Axie vastness support and obstruction levels and so on, which all things considered, shows that 28 September 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you